In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a task in Jira. If you're managing work in Jira, creating tasks properly is an important first step because it helps your team understand what needs to be done, who may be responsible, and what details are required before work begins. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the basic process for adding a task clearly and efficiently. To get started, open your Jira project or board and look for the Create button near the top of the screen. Go ahead and click Create. This opens the issue creation window, which is where you'll enter all the details for the new item you want to add. Once the form appears, find the work type field. This is the area that lets you choose what kind of issue you're creating. Jira can support different work types depending on how your project is set up, so it's important to make sure you choose the correct one for the work you're about to enter. From the work type options, select task. Choosing task tells Jira that this item is a standard piece of work that needs to be completed, rather than a bug, story, or another issue type. Next, move to the summary field and enter a short, clear title for the task. The summary should quickly explain what the task is about, so try to keep it specific and easy to understand. A good summary makes the task much easier to find later and helps teammates recognize the purpose of the work at a glance. After that, enter the description. This is where you can provide more context about the task. Include the details someone would need in order to understand what has to be done. The description is especially useful for clarifying expectations, sharing background information, or outlining important notes related to the task. Then, fill in the other information required in the form. Depending on your Jira setup, this may include fields like assignee, priority, due date, labels, or other project-specific details. Take a moment here to review everything carefully. Completing these fields accurately can improve visibility, support better planning, and help the task move smoothly through your workflow. Once all the information has been entered and reviewed, click Create to finish adding the task. Jira will then generate the new task and place it into your project so it can be tracked and managed, and that's how to add a task in Jira. If you want to keep your projects organized, taking a few extra seconds to write a clear summary, a useful description, and the correct supporting details can make a big difference.